Hello everyone, first we're gonna divide our hair into two braids, then we're gonna take some hair at the back and making a pony, then folding it out once like this, dividing it further into two similar braids and making this heart, joining them into one low bun. Next we're gonna take four ponies and then taking them at the sides and making braids out of them and joining them to the remaining two, further taking them also and making two braids out of them. Next, we're going to take some ponytails and then we're going to take the pony at the back, taking some hair strands from it and then joining it to the respective sides and then adding some rubber bands. Next, we are going to take some ponytails at the top and then we're going to divide them into two and joining them into each other like this. We are going to take hair from both the sides and joining them into one, and now you can add any hair accessories as per your choice. Next, we're going to section our hair into two, making two ponytails and then making a bun out of it with this beautiful heart effect made from braids. Next, we're going to start by taking this high ponytail and then we're going to use this ribbon with a bow, and then along with it, we're going to start making a braid by sectioning our hair into three. When your braid is ready, just secure it by using a rubber band. Next, we are going to take the hair and then making a small pony at the top and then dividing it further into two braids, joining some more hair with that to both the sides and adding some rubber bands, then joining the braids at the back and adding this beautiful red bow. Next, we're going to section our hair into two, taking hair from one side, making a braid like this, taking some more hair and making the braid with the rest, folding it out like this, and it's ready. Next, we are going to take the hair, section it in two from the top and then making two ponytails. Then at the end, we're gonna make two ponies at the bottom and joining them into one like this. Then further joining them to the side ponies and then folding the side ponies into buns. Next, we're gonna take all of the hair and then taking two ponytails, one at each sides, converting them into braid and then folding them out into buns and adding these clutchers and making two braids out of it. Next, we're gonna take this pony, converting it into braids and then folding it out into bun and adding this beautiful clutcher. Next, we're gonna section our hair into two and then taking hair from one side. First, start making a ponytail by adding a rubber band, then taking some more hair along with that, taking the remaining hair and making a braid out of it, folding it in half.